Hi everybody, welcome at this new DIY video. To begin, you need a piece of paper. You can use an envelope template or just a normal card. You need 4 cards for the Waterfall flipbook. I used a play card to cut the size, and you need a stripe of paper. To begin with, you have to fold the paper in half. I used the same paper as the envelope so it would match with each other, and then you're going to take a ruler and you're going to put four stripes on the paper, starting at the top of where you folded, and they are all 1 centimeter from each other, so you have 1 centimeter space between the 4 lines. Then I'm also going to put the lines on the other side of the paper. I'm doing this just to make sure I'm gonna fold it right, so I have a straight line, making it sure by this way. And then you're gonna fold all the lines, but just make sure not to fold the last stripe you put on the paper. And now you can make sure you have a straight fold. And make sure you don't fold the last one. You can use glue or double-sided tape to glue the cards on there. I use double-sided tape, works perfectly for me. And then you're gonna glue the pieces on there, and you are gonna stick the cards on there. Everything I used is from the Pick Me Up collection, from Pink Paisley, I believe. And I got it at paperdistrict.com, and if you want to get it for yourself, you can use code ROY1010 to get 10% discount on your whole order. And if you're sticking it on there, make sure you put every card in the middle of it. It looks better. And it looks better if all the cards align at the end. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and leave a blue thumbs up if you like this video. And now I'm gonna put the last card on there. Making sure it's right in place. And now I'm pushing all the cards on there, making sure they're really sticking good to the paper. So I'm putting some pressure on it. And now I'm gonna put it on the envelope where I want to get it. And if you want, here I'm making a mark where I'm gonna cut the paper, and make sure you only cut the first flap, not the back of it, because you need to use that to pull, so you can use the flipbook or the waterfall card. Here I'm taking another piece of paper just to make sure it will stick to the paper. I'm gonna glue it onto there with double-sided tape, but you can also use glue or some bread. Looks pretty nice, but you don't need to do that. Then I'm putting some glue on the back of the stripe where I glued all the paper. And I'm gonna stick the little piece of paper onto there And here once again make sure it's in the middle of the paper, because that looks prettier, I think. And now you can use the little flaps to make sure it stays on the paper. And don't glue the back strip to it, because otherwise you won't be able to use the waterfall card anymore. So I only glued the left and the right side, not the middle. And now you can stick it on there, and it stays on there because of the little dotted paper. And now you can use it, as you see. Just making sure one more time the paper stays good on there, so I'm putting some pressure on there again. And now your waterfall card is ready. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and now you know how to make this waterfall card. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.